I am burned to a crisp. I've been putting on sunscreen constantly. But basically everywhere I go from now on, I'm gonna look like this. It's a good look in that it keeps me from getting burned even more than I already am.
Today I'm going on a snorkeling tour of Holchan Marine Reserve and Shark Ray Alley. Serious Adventures picked me up right from my hotel dock and ferried a group of us to go exploring. The whole area was packed with boats, so there were swimmers and divers everywhere. I usually prefer to avoid crowds and tourist traps, but in spite of the chaos, it was absolutely worth the trip.
I'm about to dive into shark-infested waters!
If you have the funds, I highly recommend hiring a private boat to take you somewhere less crowded so that you can explore some of the wildlife without the people everywhere. But I'm really glad that I got the opportunity to see the reefs and face some of my fears. And I even managed to avoid aggravating my sunburn by swimming in a long sleeve shirt and leggings. In the next episode, I'm taking you ziplining through the canopies of a jungle, so make sure to stay tuned.